I guess that's the good news, is with this good weather, we've been able to get all the leaves up. At least we don't have to worry about the snow. Let's take a look at what's happening in your neighborhood at 6:35, everyone. The Moody Jews of Boise hosting their 8th annual Hanukkah party, and now 2 days into the Jewish holiday. The band will play a variety of upbeat Yiddish tunes ranging from Eastern European as well as Latin and Middle Eastern styles. Tickets are on sale now, and the show is set to run from 7 to 9:15 tonight at the Riverside Hotel. Staying in downtown Boise, Sawtooth Avalanche Center presenting an intro to Avalanches at White Dog Brewing. This free educational presentation is a great introduction or refresher to anyone headed into the Idaho mountains this winter. An intro presentation is required to attend one of their field days, and there's also a chance to win a heli-skiing seat in their raffle fundraiser. That sounds like a blast. That starts at 6 o'clock this evening. We could get a lot of snow very quickly, folks. You just never know. And something fun for the whole family. Ice skating at the Village at Meridian is underway, weather permitting. They are open 7 days a week, 3 to 9 on weekdays, noon to 9 on Saturday, and noon to 6 on Sunday. Be aware that they are closed on Christmas Day, and sessions are limited to a half hour. Just be sure to book your time in advance.